This Post-it easel tab is awesome to use in the classroom or for any kind of conference or report. What you have is just some solid white paper that is a decent weight. You can see I put my fingers behind it, kind of how heavy it is. And here at the top, we have a perforated edge. And I'm going to show you how easy this is to tear it away. I promise it is. So super easy to tear it off, and it tears right on that line. And then this back section, about 2 inches worth, it's all the sticky part, like you would have on a Post-it note. So it sticks to the wall surface, and it's great to put up your anchor charts in a classroom or to have up just to display things that were talked about in your meeting or in your conference for later use and to refer back to. So this is a staple in my classroom. I order a few for each year, and definitely we have anchor charts all over the classroom. I hope this helps you. Have a great day. Thanks for